Hey everyone! In today's video, we're exploring the best places to visit in Vilnius. Vilnius is the capital of Lithuania, a hidden gem in Europe that surprises visitors who give it a chance. Many come for its affordable nightlife or to explore Lithuanian culture, but they quickly discover that Vilnius has much more to offer. The city is filled with fun things to do, including modern restaurants, unique artsy spots, and beautiful views from scenic points. A great place to begin your adventure is the non-traditional historic center, which is full of charm and character. Vilnius is perfect for those looking for a mix of culture, food, and memorable experiences. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more travel videos about exciting destinations. Number 1. Vilnius Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-visit for history lovers. This medieval gem is the oldest part of the city and has grown over centuries. Its narrow, winding streets are filled with lively restaurants, cozy bars, and unique shops, making it a vibrant place to explore. The area is rich in charm and offers visitors an unforgettable journey back in time. Don't miss the chance to visit the Higher Castle, a key highlight of the old town. With its mix of history, culture, and modern energy, Vilnius Old Town is a fascinating destination for any traveler. 2. Užupis. Užupis is like a small city inside Vilnius, and that's no surprise because this creative district declared itself independent over 20 years ago. Once neglected during Soviet times, it has transformed into a lively bohemian neighborhood. Today, Užupis is full of art galleries, cozy bars, and delicious restaurants. It's a place where creativity shines on every corner. The district also has a great location, making it easy to visit Vilnius Old Town and its famous landmarks. Užupis is a must-see for anyone who loves art, good food, and a unique atmosphere in the heart of the city. 3. Vilnius University. Vilnius University is one of the oldest universities in the region and reflects Lithuania's rich history. It features a mix of architectural styles, a library dating back to the 16th century, and stunning views from St. John's Church. The church's bell tower, the tallest in the old town, offers an incredible view of Vilnius. Visiting the university gives you a chance to explore its historical buildings, learn about Lithuanian culture, and enjoy the scenic beauty of the old town. It's a perfect spot for history lovers and those looking for amazing sights in Vilnius. 4. Presidential Palace. The Presidential Palace in Vilnius is located on Daukanto Square, surrounded by elegant old mansions. This impressive building has a grand neoclassical design, making it a must-see spot in the city. Its beautiful palace gardens add to its charm, offering a peaceful space to relax. The palace is easy to visit while exploring Vilnius's old town, as it's right in the heart of the area. One highlight is the flag-changing ceremony, which takes place every Sunday and draws many visitors. With its rich history and stunning appearance, the Presidential Palace is a great place to experience Vilnius culture and heritage. 5. Gediminas Castle Tower. Gediminas Castle Tower is a famous red brick landmark above Vilnius's old town. It is one of the last remaining parts of the city's medieval upper castle. Inside, visitors can explore historical exhibitions that tell the story of the area's past. However, the highlight of this hilltop attraction is its viewing platform, which offers amazing panoramic views of Vilnius. From here, you can see the city's beautiful skyline and enjoy the scenery. This historic site is a must-visit for anyone looking to learn about Vilnius's history while taking in breathtaking views. 6. The Vilnius Cathedral, dating back to the 13th century, is a sacred place for the Lithuanian people and the center of Catholic life in the country. Over the years, the cathedral has faced many challenges, including fires, rebuilding, and surviving the Soviet occupation. Despite these difficulties, it has remained a symbol of faith and resilience. Since Lithuania gained independence in 1990, both the cathedral and its belfry have been carefully renovated. Today, they stand as important landmarks, representing the country's history, culture, and spiritual strength. 7. The Palace of the Grand Dukes of Lithuania, built in the 15th century, is a stunning example of Baroque architecture located in the heart of Vilnius Old Town. It is one of the city's most important landmarks. After undergoing a major 15-year reconstruction, the palace reopened in 2018 and now serves as the home of the National Museum of Lithuania. Visitors can explore its rich history, beautiful design, and fascinating exhibits, making it a must-see destination in Vilnius. This historic palace stands as a symbol of Lithuania's cultural heritage and attracts tourists from all over the world. 8. The Bernardine Church is a historic landmark in Vilnius. Built on the ruins of a 15th century church, it has stood the test of time, surviving wars and invasions. Interestingly, it was once part of the city's defensive walls. This church is a blend of Baroque and Gothic architecture, making it a true masterpiece. Inside, you'll find beautifully detailed carvings that add to its charm. With its rich history and stunning design, the Bernardine Church is not only a place of worship, but also a fascinating piece of Vilnius's past. 9. Church of Saints Peter and Paul. The 17th century Church of St. Peter and St. Paul may look simple on the outside, but the inside is truly stunning. Once you step in, you'll be amazed by its incredible details. The church is filled with thousands of intricate statues, creating a breathtaking sight. Adding to its charm is a unique chandelier shaped like a boat, blending Baroque and Art Nouveau styles. Though its exterior might seem plain, the church's interior is a masterpiece that surprises and captivates visitors with its overwhelming beauty and artistic brilliance. 10. Vilnius TV Tower. The Vilnius TV Tower is the tallest building in Lithuania, reaching a height of 1,071 feet. Located above the city's Vingis Park, it serves as a radio and TV tower. The tower is also a popular spot for visitors, featuring an observation deck where you can enjoy great views of the city. There's even a revolving restaurant, offering a unique dining experience while you take in the surroundings. Whether you're interested in its function or the views, the Vilnius TV Tower is a must-see in Vilnius.